Good morning to all. Today I am going to discuss about a new chapter, that is reproductive health. A new chapter, that is reproductive health. এই চ্যাপ্টারে প্রথমে আমি পড়িবা about population explosion. Population. What is population? Population is the sum total of individuals. Sum total of individuals of a species in a particular area and in a specific time. गोटे निर्दिष्ट स्थान गोटे निर्दिष्ट समय सेठारे थिबा टोटल नंबर ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स को लेकरी हम कहूचे दैट इज ए स्पीसीज पॉपुलेशन ऑफ ए स्पीसीज. गोटे स्पीसीज रो टोटल नंबर ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स in a particular area and in a specific time that constitutes a species population. The scientific study of human population is known as demography. Is known as demography. The scientific study of human population is known as demography. ताले population कोन हम जानि number of populations that constitute a community, also known number of populations or number of species populations that constitute a community. Forest, that is a community where we found number of species populations, tiger species population, lion species population, elephant species population, different animal species population in forest that constitute a community. But here we discuss about the human population explosion. The population शब्द हम जानी गले हम जानी पाए about explosion. The population explosion जहाँ को ओडिया रे हम कही परिबा जनसंख्या वृद्धि. जनसंख्या वृद्धि. According to a British economist नाम रखो Malthus, who proposed a concept, who proposed a theory that is called Malthus theory. So according to this theory, human population increases in GP. Human population increases in a GP, whereas food increases in FP. GP, which means geometric progression, FP, which means arithmetic progression. Human population increase geometrically. Human population increase होचे. माने today about 2, in next day about 4, then 8, then 16, then 32, 64. In this fashion, the human population increases day by day. Whereas food increases, but arithmetically, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So in comparison to food, यदि हमें कुछ food से compare करिबा तो human population तो increases enormously. But in comparison to human population, there is a scarcity of food. ताले जनसंख्या जो वृद्धि होउची किछि दिन परे एबडी समय आसीबो खाद्यर घोर अभाव देखा जिवो, जहा द्वारा हमर ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन भितरे ओटे रिएक्शन क्रिएट हबो. कोन पई ना फॉर फूड एंड आल्सो फॉर शेल्टर. खाद्य पई आओ वासस्थान बा वासगृह पई in between the peoples we found fight. So from nowadays we stop the population explosion. Means we do birth control. तो पिला मन रख for birth control, a a single term, that is contraception. In previous class we know a term conception which means child birth. Sorry, conception which means the date of fertilization when a female conceive a child. But contraception which means birth control. Birth control which means contraception. ताले ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन जो एक्सप्लोजन होची ताको रोकिबा दरकार सेति पई बर्थ कंट्रोल इज नेसेसरी बा कंट्रासेप्शन इज नेसेसरी. Contraception, that is to avoid conception. Contraception is to avoid conception. Contraception जाको मुख्यतः हम पाउछे two methods, that is the temporary and the permanent methods. Temporary methods includes natural methods and barrier methods, and the permanent methods, that is the sterilization process. चलिए ଏବେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ details ପଢିବା about the birth control or contraception which is necessary to prevent the enormous growth of human population. चलिए temporary method मुख्यतः कौन-सा natural method and barrier methods. Sir, what are the natural methods? Now one is abstinence, withdrawal and lactation ammonia. चलिए ये natural methods विषय में जानिए. One of the natural methods, there is no use of any artificial devices by the couples. There is no use of any artificial devices by the couples. In barrier methods, use of artificial devices. But in natural methods, no use of any devices by the couples. चलिए इसे डिटेल्स में पढ़िबा. First about abstinence. मन रखो पिला माने ये जो शब्द टे हम कहू abstinence which derived from a Greek word, that is abstain. Abstain which means to avoid. Abstain which means to avoid. So the couples avoid. Couples कौन avoid करेंगे? The couples avoid the fertile period. Couples avoid the fertile period. At that time, there was no population or no coitus by the couples. तो मुख्यतः couples ना ସେମାନେ ଏହି ସମୟକୁ avoid करते हैं. ଏହି ସମୟରେ କେବଳ no coitus ବା no sexual intercourse or no copulation. So what is the fertile period? Now fertile period, that is from 10th day up to 17th day of each menstrual cycle. 10th day up to 17th day of each menstrual cycle. Then हम कहते हैं fertile period. प्रत्येक menstrual cycle रो 10th दिन ठारू 17th दिन पर्यंत, that is called the fertile period. तले यही पीरियड को कपल्स माने अवॉइड करबा दरकार. तले काहे कि ना मुख्यतः हम कहूचे 14th डे, that is the date of ovulation. मुख्यतः हमर ovulation occurs on 14th day. After ovulation, the released secondary oocyte or developing egg or ovum that survives in the fallopian tube or oviduct for about 1 to 2 days. Then ovum longevity in oviduct about 1 to 2 days. Due to coitus, million number of sperms enter into the vagina and then transported towards the oviduct. And the longevity of the sperms about 3 days. About 3 days in the female genital tract. The female genital tract sperm longevity 3 days. Our ovum longevity about 1 to 2 days. The ovulation occurs on 14th day. then मुख्यतः ये तीनोटी कथा को लेकर हम करा दे छु fertile period. बोला मन रखो if sexual intercourse or coitus takes place on 12th day, मन कर 12तम दिन sexual intercourse or coitus takes place. First, in oviduct we found sperms. From male, sperms are injecting into the vagina and then migrate towards oviduct or fallopian tube for the purpose of fertilization. प्रथम स्पर्म मैंने पहुंचे किंतु ओवम को दिन आसबो ना 14th डे ऑफ मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल तले हमर स्पर्म लॉन्जिविटी अबाउट 3 डेज तले 12तम दिन 13तम दिन 14तम दिन तले 14तम दिन बेले ओव्यूलेशन हो 14तम दिन पर्यंत हमर स्पर्म बंची करे रही परिथिबो सो देयर इज द चांस ऑफ कंसेप्शन द चांस ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन मुख्यतः मानकर ओव्यूलेशन टेक्स प्लेस ऑन 14th डे कोइटस टेक्स प्लेस ऑन 17th डे 17तम दिन कोइटस तेरे ओव्यूलेशन ऑकर्स ऑन 14th डे तेरे ओवम आगो फैलोपियन ट्यूब को गले स्पर्म आसला 17तम दिन तेरे ओवम में बाटो 2 डेज मैक्सिमम बंची परछि 2 to 3 डेज मध्ये बंचुछि देन देयर इज चांस ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन और कंसेप्शन तर इथे हमर कहबा कथा जदि कपल्स माने प्रत्येक मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल रो 10 दिन ठरो 17तम दिन पर्यंत ई समय को अवॉइड करिवे बा अब्सटेन करिवे देयर इज नो कंसेप्शन ही परिबो नाही बा देयर इज नो परमिशन ऑफ ए बेबी कहीं ना कपल्स अवॉइड न करताई पीरियड सो दिस द नेचुरल मेथड another is withdrawal or coitus interruptus withdrawal or coitus interruptus monarch coitus leads to ejaculation of semen of the sperms from male which is injected into the vagina of the female before coitus takes place but before ejaculation of semen of the sperm from male if the penis of male that is removed from the vagina of female that is called coitus interruptus due to which no semen or no sperms enter into the female genital tract. There is no conception, no fertilization. So withdrawal that is the natural method. Another is lactation amenorrhea. One of these term which means lack of menstruation. Lack of menstruation. That is amenorrhea. लैक्टेशन शब्द नहीं कैसे तुम्हें पूर्व जानिछ आफ्टर गिविंग बर्थ टू ए चाइल्ड फॉर अबाउट 6 months दैट इज द लैक्टेशनल पीरियड मदर प्रोवाइड्स मिल्क टू द बेबी तले गोटे फीमेल सेक्स बा गोटे प्रेग्नेंट फीमेल पिलेट को जन्म करिवा परे पाखा पाखी 6 मास पिला को तार क्षीर दान करे दैट इज कॉल्ड लैक्टेशनल पीरियड. And in a lactational period, there is no menstrual cycle found in such female. If at that time, if at that time coitus takes place, then no conception, but no fertilization between sperm and ovum, no formation of a baby. Why? In a lactational period, there is no menstruation. If no menstruation, no ovulation. If no ovulation, there is no egg or ovum. If coitus takes place, sperms can reach the oviduct or fallopian tube after 3 to 4 days of a day. There is no chance of conception. So these are the natural methods: abstinence, withdrawal, and lactation. Then barrier methods. In barrier methods, we discuss about the barrier devices. The barrier devices, these are the condoms, diaphragms, cervical caps, and vaults. Condoms, these are the balloon-like structures made up of rubber, which cover the penis of male and also vagina of female. One of the feminine condom that is called femidom. Femidom, that is the female condom or feminine condom, which covers the vagina of the female, and the male condom which covers the penis of the male. If coitus takes place between such male and female, there is no ejaculation of semen, but no insertion into the reproductive tract of the female. So this is the barrier method. We prevent the meeting of sperm and ovum. Diaphragm, that is dome in shape. Cervical caps, vault, these are inserted into the cervix and the opening of the uterus, which prevent the transport of sperms towards the oviduct or fallopian tube. So these are the barriers inserted into the female genital tract before sexual intercourse, and they prevent the transport of sperms towards the oviduct or fallopian tube. So there is no meeting or no physical meeting between sperm and ovum. Spermicides. One of the barrier devices for femitum, diaphragm, vault, cervical cap. These are used by only female sex, which are inserted into the female genital tract. Only male condom used by male sex to cover the penis before coitus. Spermicides. Insecticide, pesticide to kill insect and pest. In a similar fashion, spermicides are the chemicals which kill the sperms. These are available in the form of creams, tablets, jellies, paste, which are inserted into the vagina before sexual intercourse. So these spermicide chemicals, so these form cream form, jelly form, foam form are available and inserted into the vagina before coitus. So what are the chemicals? Lactic acid, citric acid, boric acid, zinc sulfate, potassium permanganate. So these chemicals, those are the spermicides which kill the sperms. These are available in the form of tablet, paste, cream, foam, jelly, which are inserted into the vagina before coitus. If coitus takes place, our sperms will kill in the vagina of the female, and there is no chance of conception, only contraception. IUCDs. I intrauterine, C होची contraceptive, D होची devices. Intrauterine contraceptive devices. Intrauterine, and those devices are used inside the uterus, so called intrauterine. Those devices only for contraception, so called intrauterine contraceptive devices. And these devices only to control the birth control. So these IUCDs, these are available in the form of non-mediated IUCDs, copper releasing IUCDs, hormone releasing IUCDs. Non-mediated IUCDs, for example, Lippes loop. Copper releasing IUCDs, for example, copper T, which is implanted inside the uterus. So what is the role of copper T? Now copper T releases copper ion. Copper which kill the motility of sperms. And we previously know the path of the sperm transport. First the sperms inserted into the vagina, then towards cervix, then uterus, then towards oviduct or fallopian tube. IUCDs which are implanted inside the uterus, like copper releasing IUCDs, for example copper T, which releases copper ion that declines the motility of sperms, due to which sperms cannot travel towards oviduct. Hormone releasing IUCDs which are implanted to the wall of the uterus and releases the hormone, mainly progesterone and also estrogen hormone. These are the anti-ovulatory hormones. Anti-ovulatory hormones, those hormones prevent ovulation. But IUCDs help in birth control or contraception and also some demerits also found. So what are the demerits? In some female, so minor irritation also occur inside the uterus. They may also cause excess menstrual bleeding and pain, and the risk of perforation of uterus, uterine wall perforation over chance. Next we discuss about the oral contraceptives. Contraceptive तो जान लीजिए, oral कहीं पाऊँचे ना ये जो oral contraceptive हम pills कहेंगे, oral contraceptive pills माने tablets जहाँ को orally female sex टी ग्रहण करिबो, हैं? ताले जो oral contraceptive pills कौन कौन सा आप जानिबा? ना mini pills, combined pills, and emergency pills. Mini pills, combined pills, and emergency pills. One of the mini pills that contain a non-steroid compound that is called Centroman. Mini pill contains a non-steroid compound which is called Centroman. CENTCHROMAN. So, this mini pill which is available in market as market in the name as Saheli. This tablet is taken once a week for 3 months. Once a week for 3 months. Mostly the compound which prevent the ovulation. If no ovulation, no conception. Combined pills. Combined शब्द कहीं कैसिला ये जो pill व tablet मतलब हम पाएंगे both estrogen and progesterone hormone which prevent ovulation. Combined pills which are available in market in the name as Mala D and Mala L. Mala D and Mala L. These contraceptive pills were taken daily for a period of 21 days, starting preferably within first 5 days of menstruation, followed by a gap of 7 days. ताले menstruation आरंभ होवार 5 दिन मध्यरे तमे आरंभ करिवो ए combined pill tablet for about 21 days, 1 tablet per day. So, वर्तमान असला हमर emergency pill. ये जो mini pills, combined pills, इस विषय में जानी लो emergency pill. Emergency शब्द कहीं कैसे? ना emergency pills, these are taken at the time of emergency condition. Means after coitus, but after sexual intercourse. Means so without use of any barrier devices, without following the natural methods, if coitus takes place, we found conception. So it is emergency kind of now coitus takes place. No use of any barrier methods, no use of any natural methods, coitus takes place. So chance of conception. So, unprotected coitus, that is called unprotected coitus. The unprotected coitus रो 72 hours मध्यरे जदि गोटे female sex emergency pill ग्रहण करिवो emergency pill, then there is no chance of the further growth of the embryo if conception takes place. If no conception, there is no development of no growth or no formation of embryo. So these emergency pill which are available in the market in the name as I-pill, pill 72, unwanted 72. These emergency pills are available in market. Then those emergency pills prevent pregnancy if taken within 72 hours after unprotected sexual intercourse. Next, subcutaneous implants. Sub means below, cutaneous माने skin, implant माने रोपण करिबा. तले हमको subcutaneous implants, these are the 6 match stick sized capsules. मैचेस बॉक्स से जो स्टिक पाइबा से ही 6टा capsules that containing the synthetic progesterone. Synthetic, which is synthesized in a laboratory. Those capsules are inserted under the skin of the inner arm above the elbow. Above the elbow portion, elbow above portion, inner arm, under the skin. It implantation करा जो 6 matches stick sized capsules. अब से कैप्सूल साइमल्टेनियसली सब कैप्सूल मेल्ट करियो नाही पाखापाखि 6टा कैप्सूल 5 वर्ष काम करियो गोटे कैप्सूल समय अनुसार एटा मेल्ट हे चलिबो अकॉर्डिंग टू द थिकनेस ऑफ द वॉल ताले सेही कैप्सूल रिलीज होबो प्रोजेस्टेरोन जोटा ब्लड रे मिसिबो आ ओभारी को जाई कि ओव्यूलेशन को बंद सो हेल्प इन कॉन्ट्रासेप्शन फ्रॉम बर्थ डायरेक्टली इंजेक्टेबल्स करा जाई परिबो इंजेक्शन दिया जाई परिबो प्रोजेस्टेरोन हार्मोन जोटा हम सिंथेसाइज्ड इन लैबोरेटरी जाको हमें ओटा केमिकल को इंजेक्ट करि परिबा व्हिच प्रिवेंट ओव्यूलेशन सो these are the barrier methods and also the temporary method. These are the temporary methods. Next we will discuss about the permanent methods. The permanent methods, that is the sterilization process. The permanent method that is the sterilization process, that is the surgical sterilization process. Surgical sterilization process. In male sex, the permanent sterilization process called vasectomy. In female sex, that is called tubectomy. One of the vasectomy, another is the tubectomy. The vasectomy, which is the surgical sterilization process in male sex. Tubectomy, which is the surgical sterilization process in female sex. In vasectomy, the two bhasa differentia are caught and tied up. तुम पूर्व जानिछो in male sex we found 2 testes, 2 epididymis, 2 bhasa differentia, then ejaculatory duct, then urinogenital duct. नहीं तले हम मुख्यतः seminiferous tubule of testis रे sperm production होबो, then stored in epididymis at the time of ejaculation. The stored sperms from epididymis were transported through bhasa differentia, then to ejaculatory duct, then to the urinogenital duct, and inserted into the vagina of female at the time of coitus. तो लेकिन हम कौन करिवा ना ये जो दुईटी भाषा differentia in singular become vast difference on both side हम तको काटी दबा cut and tied up बांधी दबा. In those male sex, we found the production of sperms. Sperms are produced inside the testes, but here no transportation because the two bhasa differentia are caught and tied up. So this is the sterilization process in male sex called vasectomy. Tubectomy, that is the sterilization process in a female sex. By surgical sterilization process in a female sex. हम जानिछे that in female sex we found 2 oviducts, 1 uterus, 1 cervix, 1 vagina. What are all diagram type of देखिए 2 ovaries, 2 oviducts, uterus, cervix, vagina. तला में से ड्यू टू कोइटस प्रथम स्पर्म माने पहुंचबे कोडी ना भाजिना रो सर्विक्स सर्विक्स टू द यूट्रस यूट्रस रो मूवमेंट करिवे टुवर्ड्स ओवरी. Ovulation, I mean the term ovulation which occurs on 14th day of a menstrual cycle and also on the surface of ovary. The released ovum which is picked up by the fibria of oviduct. Fibriae, these are the fiber-like projections of oviduct. Then the ovum or secondary oocyte is enter into the oviduct or fallopian tube for the purpose of fertilization. But एपटे स्पर्म आसीबो एपटे ओवम आसीबो इथे हम कोन करबा ना ट्यूबोक्टोमी केस रे जो दुईटी रही छै हमर जो ओविडक्ट बा फालोपियन ट्यूब सेमि काटी देबा आके टाइड कट आके टाइड ओके तले एटी ओवम एंट्री कला एपटे स्पर्म आसीला बट देयर इज नो फिजिकल मीटिंग ऑफ स्पर्म एंड ओवम so tubectomy is a surgical sterilization process. So vasectomy and tubectomy, these are the permanent methods of contraception. So this is about the population explosion and birth control. Okay, thanks to all.